If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and
hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am happy to introduce you to this incredibly adorable bag. This is the Konin bowler bag. It is a country cow designs pattern. She's adorable. This one I've chosen to do in a glitter vinyl, which makes it look so cute. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So as you can see, she's not a large bag. She has a really handy handle on the top, a detachable crossbody strap, a double zipper, and for a small bag, she is quite roomy. So this one, I just have a zipper pocket on one side, and that is it. She's simple, she's classic. This bag changes how it looks depending on the materials chosen for this. It can be made in vinyls, leathers, cottons, canvases, whatever you like. Yeah, I just love making this. If you are one of the sewists of the world like me, this is a super fast and satisfying sew. If you are one of my clients, again, we can make this bag have so many different faces to suit your needs depending on what fabrics you choose for this bag. Anyways, if you are one of my clients, you know what to do. All my information is down below if you want to order one for yourself. If you're part of my bag makers community, this is the bag that we did in the, what month is it? I keep mixing up my months. The September Thursday classes of 2023. So if you are seeing this at the end of September, those classes have now finished, and you could definitely join the membership if you want to see the class replays of this. And there's also a tutorial on this one, and it is exclusive to the membership side of the channel until the classes are finished at the end of September, and then it will release to the public side. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.